Hello. Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about the Canvas module. Let's talk about key features and benefits. A canvas print is a type of wall art that prints an image from an inkjet printer onto canvas. Here are some types of canvas modules. Number 1, single canvas. Number 2, wall canvas. Number 3, split canvas. Now, let's have a look at the admin. So, first of all, we need to go to Products, and click on Add button, in order to add a new canvas product in your store admin. Here we can see the product type to choose from, so select Canvas from the drop-down. Further, we see product subtype. Here we have 3 types of canvas that are single photo, multiple photo, and split photo canvas. Choose the type of canvas product. Also, once configured with a product type, the action cannot be undone. This means a normal canvas cannot be changed to multiple, or split canvases and vice versa. Switching between multiple and split canvases is possible. Here we have selected a single photo canvas and entered all the required details. URL you can skip, which the system will take automatically as per the title. Then choose the price defining method from these 3 options. Fixed quantity and price, range based with multiplication, or without multiplication, and then click on the Save and Continue button. Then, we need to put the description and designer details like standard products, and click on the Save and Continue button. Then we need to put the prices per quantity. Then we go to the option, where you can see all the options like border thickness, edge design, image effects, frame type, etc. You can add attributes using the radio button type. For example, we have added the border thickness, put a description and chose type as radio button, and then put the attributes with uploading images. After that, we put the attribute price to the corresponding attribute title, and click on Save and Back button. Further, we need to add the option rules in order to hide the specific options, or attributes on the storefront. Now, we come to the Canvas Bind Options section. So, here we need to select the additional options like border thickness as 1 inch, and events as frame thickness, choose event attributes as 72 pixel thickness or other and save. Similarly, for the other options we can bind the options to the specific events, and events attributes. Now let's go to the front to have a look at the Canvas product functionality. By clicking on the Select File button, you can simply upload the image you want, or choose an image from My Images button, and it will load on the Canvas Preview section as you can see here. You can change the canvas size dimension from the drop-down options. Next, we have a feature to add text on the canvas as per your requirement. Also, you can see a preview where you can see the actual layout of the canvas and how it looks on the wall. You can zoom in or zoom out your image, and then we have all the options on the right side like border thickness, edge design, etc. When we choose none, then only the below options of frame, foreground and background will be visible. And if you choose edge design as folded, mirrored, black, white, or custom color, then the below options will be hidden. Using custom color, you can choose the edge design color and it will change accordingly. Next, we have effects options where you can choose black and white, or sepia. Furthermore, we see the frame options color or premium, where in the color you have options to choose custom colors as per your need, and in the premium you can choose premium frames like dark, light, golden, or silver. In the foreground and background, we have given options to choose predefined colors, or custom colors from the palette. If you choose foreground color, then only the background option will appear to select below that. So, if you choose foreground and background colors both, then you can see there are 3 color layers including frame, foreground, and background. After all the options are selected, you can see the final preview by clicking on the preview section. This is all about the functions of a single photo canvas. Now we will go to wall canvas. So first, we have to go to admin and add the details as we added in single photo canvas, but here we need to choose product subtype as multiple photo canvas, and input all the details like category and price defining method. Here it should be always size based price, then click on Save and Continue button and we put the other details like designer, and prices per standard dynamic size product. Now in option and rules, we can put the details similarly to a single photo canvas. For wall and split canvas, we do not have foreground and background options. In Canvas settings, the difference is we can see a new tab of wall configuration, in which firstly we need to add a wall for your canvas by defining its title and dimension. Also, define dimensions for layouts that will be part of this particular wall. To see the wall configuration, we click on Edit. Here you can see the title of the wall dimension and layout, then we put the custom width and height of the wall. Accordingly, in the layout details we need to put the layout or canvas panel's dimensions in the width and height section as 20 by 30, and put the layout count as 3. Click on Save and Back. Similarly, we can create more layouts as per the choices you want to give to your customers. Then, we have to navigate to the Page Layouts under the Templates section. Now we have to go to the Page Layouts section, under Template as you can see here. To create a layout, we need to click on Add button first, then we need to put the title, 3-panel layout, and here we choose product type as canvas, and then we choose product as wall canvas with the size of 3 layouts as you can see. Page layout category you can skip and make the status active. Now click on Save and Continue button. After this, it will redirect us to the wall and you can set the alignment of the layouts as per your choice as you can see, and then click on Continue button to save this. You can see, our 3-panel layout has been created. Similarly, you can create various layout as per the wall configured under Wall Configuration. Now, on the front end, you have to choose the layout first and then accordingly it will allow you to upload images separately into each panel of the layout. You have to click on Replace button to change the image from the layout as you can see. Further, all the options like thickness, edge design, image effects, and frame type are similar to the single photo canvas. Now, let's check the price calculation. So, if you put 5 here you will get the price calculated as per the price set in the back end. So in admin, we can see under the price tab, we put the size range in inches with the unit price in front of it. On the front end, here we can see the price of one wall canvas is coming as per this calculation. We have 20 by 30, 1 panel dimension which gives us value 600, which we will multiple with 3, it will give total area of 3 panels which is 1800. And then it will multiply with the base price, which we have put in the size range. So, it will give us the final price as you can see over here. Also, you can verify the details under Price Details section with base price, and other options price which you can put under Options Attribute Price over here. Next, we will see the configuration of the split canvas. So, to create a split canvas we need to select the required options, and select product subtype as split photo canvas. Choose price defining method as size based price, which is dynamic size. Choose measurement unit as inch or as per your choice. Click on Save and Continue button, and put other details similarly like wall canvas. In the Canvas tab, we have the same wall configuration like the wall canvas. The only difference in split canvas is as you can see on the front end. So, when you choose your layout and upload an image, it will split the single image into multiple canvas panels as you can see here. The calculation of the pricing would be similar like wall canvas as you can see over here. This is all about the split canvas. For a feature called Add Text on the Canvas which is only for single canvas, there is a studio setting called Allow Max Text where you can put number of text you want to allow your customers to put into the canvas. Go to Designer Studio, Studio Settings, search Allow Max Text. If you put 2 here and save, then there will be maximum 2 text customer can put on the canvas at front end. On the front you can see, we can add text only 2 times and then it will now allow us to add the text further. That's all in the 3 types of Canvas module. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any query, feel free to connect with us.